the primary winding frequency is equal to secondary winding frequency. In our transformer, the primary winding frequency equal to secondary winding frequency. But in our induction machine, both primary winding frequency and secondary winding frequency are different. Okay, stator winding frequency is different. That is maybe 60 volts or 60 hertz or 50 hertz. But coming to rotor frequency, that is depends upon slip value. Okay, that is depends upon slip value. Now the rotor frequency equal to, this is a formula for rotor frequency. Fr equal to S into Fs. This is our rotor frequency formula in our induction machine. But coming to transformer, in our transformer, both frequencies should be same in primary winding as well as secondary winding. Simply I am writing primary winding frequency equal to secondary winding frequency. Okay, this is nothing but transformer frequency, and this is called induction machine frequency. Okay, rotor frequency is equal to it's a product of slip into Fs. For example, the total slip value in our induction machine in between 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1. It may be 0 0.1, 0 0.2 up to 0 0.9. If you observe that total point, I'm substituting 0 0.7 in the place of S. The total frequency is 50 Hz approximately. Now, what is the total rotor frequency? The rotor frequency is 35 Hz. The rotor frequency is 35 Hz. If you are applying some 50 Hz to the stator and your slip value is 0 0.7, okay, the slip value will be changed from 0 to 1 only. It is not a constant value. Based on that speed, NR speed as well as NS speed, the total slip will be changed. Already you have some formula of slip. That slip equal to, it is the differences between synchronous speed, that is nothing but stator speed minus rotor speed by stator speed. Okay, stator speed minus rotor speed by stator speed. For example, I'm taking some simple example problem on slip. NS equal to 1000 RPM. RPM is nothing but revolution per minute. Revolution per minute. For example, NR equal to 900. Okay, NR equal to 900, NS equal to 1000 RPM. In our induction machine, which is a higher value? NS is higher value compared with the NR. But coming to in synchronous machine, that is a different condition. But coming to induction machine, this is a concept. Okay, NS is more value compared to NR value. Just these values are substituted in our slip formula. That is 1000 minus 900 by 1000. Okay. Now what is our answer? 100 by 1000. 100 by 1000. Approximately the value is 0.1. Okay, this is a slip value whenever we are applying some speed to the stator and whenever we are applying some rotor speed. If you observe these two speeds, our slip value will be 0.1. Now what is the frequency value? The frequency value Fr equal to rotor frequency equal to slip into stator frequency. Slip value will be 0.1 and frequency supply frequency is 50 Hz in our Indian standard. But coming to other foreign standards, that is different value, maybe 60 Hz or 70 Hz. I think we get 0.5 or something. Okay, sorry, 5. Your frequency is 5. Okay, now see.